Whoa. Look at your big sister.
Reach with that hand. There you go. Reach up with your left hand.
I'd come down like I need to go up again.
You got it, baby.
I don't know why I haven't tried. He can go first.
She gonna ring the bell before you.
It's not rice, it's just good.
You can do it, baby. Put your foot on there. Put your foot on that blue one right there.
Ring the bell, Melissa.
Come back to this side. Hey.
Ring the bell. Ring the bell on the left. The little silver bell. Hit that silver bell. The silver bell, hit it. Yeah. Hit it, hit it. There you go.
Hit it hard.
There you go. There you go.
She's never seen a bell like that. That's okay.
You got it.
All right, can you come down?
Ring the bell.
Okay, I won't. Okay, I'm going to turn it